Hey, it's Sam from SHOT Show 2018. I got Ian with Kelblys. Kelblys, how long you guys had your Dominator now?
Oh man, we've had it probably 4 years now, I think.
How many parts you think you ran through that now?
Oh, well over 6,000 parts.
Every
and
day?
That's 2 sides, so 12,000 cycles, and then that doesn't even include all of our fixturing we've marked and all of our different toolings that we've marked. So probably well over 20,000 cycles on our machine.
So I hear you're in the market for another machine.
Yes, we are. We're actually looking at the Cobalt XL. With the increased production that we're having, we wanted some increased capabilities of the pallet technology, the automatic C and the automatic X axis. We also wanted to look at the 50-watt laser for a little better power for depth marking, so that we have a little quicker runtime on that machine.
Excellent. Well, we're really glad you're an existing customer and continuing on with you. Thank you.
Well, thank you guys for building a great product. We love being able to find local companies that have great products that we're able to incorporate in our production.
Absolutely. We appreciate it very much. Thank you.
All right, thank you.